Good morning from beautiful Naxos. I'm not in the highest spirits right now, in the nose. Still a little swollen. This sea urchin, I don't know how to get this out. I'm gonna do some breath work, just kind of get grounded, because after all, if things always went perfect, well, what's the fun in that? Definitely feeling better after getting some movement in, some lifting. Got in that nice workout. I'm happy to have these weights here. Not much, but it does the job. Did 100 of everything. Push-ups, curls, squats, rows, barbell deadlifts. On top of that, just finished off with some Wim Hof breathing, 3 rounds, 30 breaths, in through the mouth, out through the mouth with a breath hold. And now I'm gonna go hit the ocean, clean off whatever we got going on here, and then come back up, hit the grocery store, get work done. Got that ocean swimming. Now I'm actually gonna head to the hospital and see if they can take these thorns out. I don't know if I need to do anything about it, but I hit my face on coral reef. Does it look too bad, or it's swollen? We're in the Greek hospital. This is interesting. All right, so went to the hospital. He got a few of the things out, the prickers, whatever you want to call them. I'm gonna have to just let it heal on its own, let them fall out on their own. So that's what we'll have to do there. And then right now, I'm just gonna get some stuff at the grocery store. It is a little messy here right now, but got the healing foods right now for the face, for the skin. Avocado, eggs, orange, vitamin C of course, yogurt, banana, olive oil, all the good stuff. My spirits are high right now. I just met 2 incredible women. They are right above me and they are just super, super kind. And I was just talking to them just about what happened here, and they're on the natural healing, that kind of wave. And they said honey is incredible to be using. So I've been doing it right, which I'm stoked about. And yeah, just lathering my face up in honey. I'm gonna get some food in the system, then I'm gonna work, and then we'll see what happens. But today's gonna be a chill day. I'm not really going out. I'm just gonna let myself take it easy. All right, little work break to the ocean. Soak in those rays right now. I've just been sitting down inside, which is great. I got a great view. It's all good. Today's a relaxation day, but I need to get in some water. I just had 2 meetings that I took outside on the phone, just like looking over. It's just crazy, man. I feel so much gratitude right now. First of all, that I'm okay, and also just immense gratitude for being in this place. Also, getting places like this, maybe you spend a little extra money on staying at a nice place. I think there's a lot of power in that, a lot of energy you get from that, knowing that you're worthy of being in homes like this. But regardless, I'm just looking at this view, just in pure amazement.
And all is cast out to sea, and you are what you imagine.
Just looking out the window to that. All right, I'm gonna cook a quick dinner, a nice steak, local cheese, and just chill out. Let's get cooking. All right, it is 9 p.m., which means I'm going to bed. Did some work. I'll see you in the morning. Hearing the ocean from up here is just incredible. Woke up at 6 a.m. this morning and feeling good, but it's a beautiful sunrise. Check that out. Nice. Morning movement is done, as well as some Wim Hof breathing, 12-minute session. Big thing with Wim Hof breathing is it actually accelerates healing and lowers down your inflammatory markers. So I'm a big believer in doing Wim Hof breathing as much as I can, ideally every day, but especially when I have something like this going on, lowers that inflammation, which in turn increases the healing in your body. If you guys ever get injured or anything like that, make sure you're doing breath work, make sure you're putting the proper foods in your body, and make sure you're getting sunlight. Trying walking. Does hurt a little bit. I want to run up this hill, just do a sick workout, but I gotta tame myself because I tend to go into things too quick and I hurt myself even more. So we're not gonna do that. We're gonna be easy on this. That way we can enjoy in a couple days. Quick brekkie today, 5 eggs, some fruit with an orange as well, and an avocado. Some Naxos yogurt here on the island. Also astaxanthin, great for skin, recovery, also getting in the sun a lot. So gonna eat that and then I'm gonna work for a bit and enjoy the rest of the day. Logging off of work, gonna go enjoy the beautiful outdoors. It's about like 1 p.m. so just been working at this spot, but not a bad spot to work from. Time to figure out how to use this. Cash is secured. Let's actually go have some fun now. That is where we're going. We're off to the Mitras temple. One thing that I've noticed about Naxos in particular compared to like Milos or Mani, places like that, this is very, very mountainous. There's so many mountains here. Mani's like that as well, but here it's very like farmland, mountains, ocean. It's an interesting mix. So just a little observation. Let's keep it rolling. If you want to pause the video and read that, super interesting. This was constructed 530 BC and it's closed. Let me give you a little boost right now. Good, because that's all we're seeing today. That's it. Place is closed on Tuesday. Let's go somewhere else. Going to see the Temple of Apollo, which is right there. Cool. Just exploring around today, kind of getting to know the area a little bit more. Right off the bat I can tell though, Milos is more my vibe. Naxos is beautiful so far, but Milos has that island vibe, which I'm a big fan of. Not to say that this place is not absolutely gorgeous, it is. Just personal preference. We got kefir from Naxos, yogurt from Naxos, got some goodies. Made a quick pit stop. Just got some really solid stuff. Alright, got some goods at the grocery store. Now I'm gonna go to a Greek taverna, get some dinner, and we'll see how it is. Apparently it's super, super good food, all fresh ingredients, organic as well. So let's go check it out. Well guys, had an incredible dinner. I gotta talk about something. I was eating my salad, amazing Greek salad, and I took a bite into it. It was like a small little olive. Bit down into it, I just chipped my tooth. Not only have I hit my face, gotten stung by a sea urchin, but I also just chipped my tooth. So I'm wondering what is going on. Having a good attitude about things right now, but I'm not sure what to do. I'm kind of going through it a little bit right now. It's a beautiful sunset though, which is always nice. Sunset swim. rising with the sun every single day, even with a chipped tooth. Oh my god. It has been an interesting couple days. I'm gonna start this morning like any morning, and I'm gonna do a workout, so really need this one, clear my head, and get grounded. So I'm gonna put in some work with a beautiful view. That's all you need. Morning workout is done. I'm super stoked about that workout because it was actually really tough. Like, that was a challenge. 100 push-ups, 100 squats, 100 curls, 100 shoulder presses, 10-minute plank total, rows. We were just getting after it. So now I'm gonna hit some Wim Hof breathing, accelerate that healing, and get in the ocean. So morning routine in Greece, can't beat it. Water's not working. Power's out, which means I can't cook eggs. Tragic. But we got some fruit, local fruit with local cinnamon. Nice orange, kefir. Gonna take a quick break, been working for a bit, 12 p.m. Gotta take that quick break to, you know what we gotta do? Get the whole body tan, get the whole body sun. Super important, So I wrapped up work, went to go meet with actually the person who owns this Airbnb property. So I'm doing some photos for him, and he lives like right over there. So we just had the nice view. It was one of those conversations that I was like, okay, I'm not gonna film this. He's a guy that you could just tell has so much wisdom. And we were talking about like the stuff that's happened, how I chipped my tooth, all that kind of stuff. And he's just pretty much telling me like, don't get so caught up in the bullshit. You're always in a rush to go do different things, to go to the water, to go on a run, to go do this, do that, drive the quad fast. Slow down. Slow down. And he was telling me that. He just was like, and I was all ears. I was just listening. I was like, because I fall victim to always being boom, 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 next, what's the next thing, which is great. But sometimes you just gotta stop and enjoy. Accept that these things happen. He said, pray to God, do your cross, boom, boom, boom. That's what he said. And I was just like, yeah, all right. We just got some filotti, I think that's how you say it. I'm gonna check out what it has to offer. Like, so quiet, but so beautiful.
Downtown Naxos for that.
Just had an amazing dinner at that restaurant, that taverna. Was talking to a guy named Nikos, and I was actually there for a while, almost 2 hours, just sitting down talking to him. It's incredible when you have those conversations with people from the village. It's those conversations that I try to film a little bit, but it doesn't always happen because I'm more in the moment.